I'm okay with $5.99. I don't think it smells exactly the same. Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sha'Kenya, and in today's video we are back with another review. I absolutely had to come on here and do a review for this viral body butter, the scrub, the body wash from Trader Joe's. So if that's a video that you're interested in, make sure to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. So first things first, I'm not sure how long these products have been circulating on social media. I just know that when I saw it, I was like, oh, you know, the first time I saw it was somebody had reposted it and said that they watch Brie. I don't know if you guys watch Brianna, but she is one of the bigger YouTubers. She is based in Atlanta. And they were saying, like, basically she influenced them to go to Trader Joe's and purchase all of these products. So that was the first time I saw it, but I really didn't pay any attention because I was like, okay, whatever. But when I tell y'all, first of all, I got on the new app Lemonade. I was on there and I just kept seeing it everywhere. And I was on TikTok. I was like, you know what? Once I saw that it was a dupe to the Sol de Janeiro, I was like, oh no, I gotta get it. Because first of all, I absolutely love their stuff. It smells so good, but it is on a pricier side. It's not like in the 50s, but well, actually I think maybe their biggest one is about $40 to $50, but I know that their small one, the smallest one that they have, is $22, and it smells so good. But I'm like, I just had to try it because I'm like, if it smells the exact same, this is $5.99. So I was like, I'm definitely gonna get it, right? So I go downtown to 72nd Street. I'm looking. As soon as I get down the escalator, I see them, right? So I'm like, okay, good. I'm about to throw these in my basket. Now, this is where things got tricky because once I got to the bottom of the escalator, I realized that there was only the body butter and the body wash. And I was like, dang, I really wanted to scrub because that's really what I came for, because I absolutely love body scrubs. Like, if y'all already watch my videos, you know that I always use my Fenty, my body butter, the butter drop. So to me, it just wasn't a big deal to have the body butter, even though I wanted it. But I was just like, I want the scrub. And really, I just wanted all three. So I kept going back and forth, back and forth. Then they had another area where they have like other things for your body, like body scrubs and stuff like that, some soaps. I looked over there, they didn't have any. I was like, maybe somebody put some over there. Nothing. I kept looking around the store trying to see if somebody just left one somewhere. I literally could not find the body scrub. So I was like, you know what, fine, I'm just gonna leave. I'll just get, I had 2 body butters and the body wash, and I also had a candle. I picked up the candle on my way back up the escalator because they had some when you're going upstairs. So I was like, okay. But then I got on the line. Now I'm looking, like, you know how when you're checking out they have like that area where you just pick up little stuff? I forgot what that's called. But anyways, they had that area, and I'm looking and I'm just like, dang, I don't see it. I just kept seeing the candle. It was just the candle that was in there, and I think maybe I saw 1 body butter, but I could not find a scrub. So then I had already saw a lady in the store and we were talking about it. She said that they had them 2 days ago, and I was like, why didn't I come here 2 days ago? Like, I was just so upset because I kept putting it off. I was like, I'm gonna go, but I didn't feel like going downtown. So now I finally go get there, and they're not there. So then I'm on the line and she sees me on the line. She's like, oh, miss, they have the body scrubs right there as soon as you get to the front of the line. So I'm like, okay, great. So I get to the front. I asked the girl, and I was like, can I just grab 2 of these body scrubs? And she was like, yeah, go ahead. So I grabbed 2 of the body scrubs. Okay, then I was like, you know what, let me put this candle back, because the candle was $3.99 and it was just giving. First of all, I'm so tired of buying candles and I can't smell them. That's just very annoying. I'm a candle girl. I love me some candles. And I was just like, I'm not trying to buy another candle and I can't smell it. And really, I just was doing it because I was like, well, I can't get the body scrub. But once she told me the body scrub was right there, I was like, bingo, here we go. So now, did I get 2? Am I tripping? Wait, I think I got 2. Do I have 2 body scrubs or 2 body butter? I have to go check, and then I'll let you guys know. I can't remember, because now that I'm thinking about it, I never put back. Oh, I got 2 scrubs. I got 2 scrubs. I do 2 scrubs in my basket, and I only got 1 body butter. That's what it is. So I have another scrub. So now I'm kind of wishing that I did get a second body butter, because the body butter, it just smells delicious. Okay, so let's just get into it. Now, this is the wash. The body wash is $5.99. Everything's $5.99. The scrub, the body wash, and the body scrub. But the only thing is that the candle, like I said, is $3.99. Now, when it comes to this body wash, you guys can't see it, but I can see it because I'm sitting at the window where the sunlight is coming in. We've already used it to right here. I love the way it smells. It smells delicious. This is, I don't know if you guys can really see. It's like, I don't want to pour it out. Let me see if I could just, oh, it's thick. Because I haven't opened it. I just be pumping it out. And it is hard to pump. See, it's very thick. What I can say is that I had pumped out like one pump the other day, and I noticed that it doesn't lather that well, which I did not notice the first day that I tried it, because the first day that I tried it, I recorded a reel for Instagram, and I just kept on pumping because I wanted to get a good amount. And in general, I'm like that with my body wash. That's why I run out of body wash so fast. Like, I never just do like a pump. So the other day I just happened to pump it once, and I realized that it doesn't lather up much. Like, on the first lather, you do have to pump a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you, that's not something that just made me feel like oh, why did I buy this? Honestly, because I'm just like, it's $5.99. I didn't expect much. And also, I had no business buying this body wash because my skin is very sensitive, and now I've been only using sensitive skin like Dove. I have a few Doves in my shower, but I don't use a lot of fragrance Doves. I use either the sensitive skin, the original, the exfoliating one, and I do have a cucumber one, but I really stick to the sensitive skin because my skin is sensitive. So yeah, once I got this, and you know, like I said, I just happened to do one pump the other day. I was like, oh wow, it takes a while to lather, which, like I said, to me is not much of a big deal. Just letting y'all know that, so you know if you haven't purchased it yet. And just to give you an honest review, because I told y'all whenever I buy something, I do a review, I'm always going to give an honest review. So definitely going to keep it 100 with y'all. Like I said, even though it is $5.99, like I didn't expect much, but to me, it's still worth it because it smells so good. I mean, you just gotta pump a little extra. That's just how I feel. You gotta pump a little extra to really get it to lather up. But like I said, I never noticed it the first time because I literally pumped up so much. Like, I had about, first of all, it's hard to pump. I don't feel like pumping this out right now. I'll do it at the end right before I get off the camera. I'll do it at the end because then I can just get up and then I'll be done with the video. But I'll show you, it's very hard to pump it. Like, a little comes out, but it's $5.99 and it's from Trader Joe's. Like, and I'm not trying to discredit Trader Joe's because y'all know I love Trader Joe's if you follow me on Instagram. But it's just like, it's I didn't expect much. Okay, I didn't expect necessaire. Like, I'm just being honest with you guys. So moving along to I'm gonna do the body scrub next. Now, this is the body scrub, and this is the inside. As you can see, we have been using it. Okay, now this smells so good. Everything just smells so good. It just really smells so good. But what I can say about this body scrub definitely needs more oil. They don't have enough oil in here. It's very abrasive. Like, with this body scrub, you need to use a light hand because it can be harsh. You don't want something it literally feels like sand. Yeah, it kind of feels like sand. Yeah, it's very, very rough. It's very rough. So, and it wouldn't be as rough, like I said, if it had more oil. Now, you can go ahead and add oil on your own. I haven't done that because I just was like, whatever. I have done it before with other oils. I mean, I have done it before, like when I made my own scrub, and I'm like, oh, this is a little bit too rough, because all a scrub is sugar. Or you could use different type of exfoliates if you can buy them from certain websites. I used to make my own stuff, so I can link the website I used to go on below. I can't remember right now off the top of my brain, but that's all it is. It definitely needs more oil, but to me, it gets the job done. Like I said, I'm not expecting much. It's $5.99. But what I can say is that Trader Joe's does have another body scrub in there. I just feel like they're not getting the measurements right. Okay, they're not getting the measurements right. Okay, so I don't remember exactly where I was at because my camera overheated. So I do know, though, that I was talking about the scrub. So yeah, like I said, the scrub definitely needs more oil. I know that let me see. I don't know if I finished my thoughts about the other scrub that I found in there. They did have another scrub. It's a lavender scrub. They've had it for a very long time. I've seen it before. When I was saying that they're not getting the measurements right, is because this scrub needs more oil and that scrub has too much oil for me. Because it all depends on your preference. It all depends on your preference. Because for me, I don't want all that oil in my shower. I don't. Like when I use the Way scrub, that one has more oil than my Dove scrub. And first of all, it's two different textures. The Way one is more like sugar and oil, and then the Dove one is kind of like, I can't explain, it's like thick, like a cream. It's like a cream, and it has very thin, like little exfoliants. I don't even think that, I highly doubt that that's sugar. I don't think that's sugar in there. But like I said, it's different things that you can add into scrubs. So with this being said, this is definitely sugar, and this is sugar, and I don't know what else is in here. To be honest with you, look like little pieces of vanilla, like vanilla bean. But I don't, let me see what's in here. Aloe leaf extracts. That might be what it is, the aloe leaf. I don't know what it is. But like I said, the measurements is off, but it all depends on what you prefer. So for me, I don't hate it. Honestly, it does need more. It is very harsh, but I'm okay with it. So for me, I would keep it. Last but not least is this body butter. The body butter, I mean, it's just luxurious. This is it, okay? I think I've been the only one using this. Yeah, I've been the only one using this. I haven't been using it up like crazy because I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to preserve it, girl. I'm trying to preserve it. My hand is dry. I'm just going to show you, okay? Very, very soft. It just feels so good on the skin. It feels so good. It feels so good. Like, it feels so good. And honestly, I believe it's just as good as my Fenty skin. I don't know if it's as hydrating. I think the Fenty skin, I don't even know. It probably has a bit more oil, but when I wake up in the morning, I still can smell it on my skin. Even with the soap. Before I even put the soap, before I even put on the, what is this called? The body butter, the soap lingers on your skin. You can definitely smell it. Nothing about this bundle makes me feel like it's not worth it. I'm just being honest. That's just me. Because like I said, it's $5.99 for everything. This different. This real different. I don't know if this should be $5.99. This might be $10. Well, I'm okay with $5.99 though. I'm okay with $5.99, but I'm just saying, like, this just feels so good. Look at my, I don't know if y'all can really see, but it just feels good. It just feels good. And it's the shine. I'm putting it on my kneecap right now. It's the shine for me. It's just so soft. It feels amazing on your feet. Amazing on your feet. And it smells so good. It smells literally exactly like the Sol de Janeiro. What I can say is that I don't think the body scrub has I think it smells similar, but I don't think it smells exactly the same. I don't know. I could be tripping, but I don't know. Either way, they all smell good. And I would say get them. Just to try it. Like, if you don't like it, then you don't like it. Out of the three, I would say, if there's anything that you could do without, it would be the body wash. And like I said, that's because a lot of people I know have sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, and to me, it's not a necessity. But if you want to give yourself a nice, good shower, luxurious, go on ahead and get you that body scrub. Go on ahead and get it. Because like I said, it's just a little rough around the edges. But other than that, to me, it's great. And then the body butter, like, you exfoliate your skin real good. And then you just moisturize. Oh, girl. And you smelling delicious. Come on now. Come on. Okay, because it's giving. It's definitely giving. The body butter, to me, is my absolute favorite. The body butter is my favorite. Like I said, it's your preference when it comes to the scrub. And the body wash, I do feel like you can go without it. The candle, I can't speak for because I didn't try it. I did not try it. So yeah, if you have tried the candle, make sure you leave a comment below. If you have tried the set in general, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Or if you just try any of them, let me know what you think. Give your honest feedback in the description box for anybody else, because there might be some other people that want to know different points of views. But like I said, I'm absolutely happy with it. I definitely need to go back and get more body butter though. I definitely do, because I didn't really want to go crazy with the body butter, because I was like, well, like, you already got a few Fenty body butters, but I mean, why can't I have some more? Why can't I have some? I could at least get 2 more, because it just smells so good, and I just want to smell good all summer. I just want to smell good all summer. That's what I'm gonna do. So like I said, if you have tried it, let me know in a comment box below. And if you are going to try it, let me know once you do try it. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.